Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Microsoft Store is not downloading apps on your Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So this issue happens for many of users whenever you're trying to download something. If it's not working, let me directly get into the step. So the first one is all about, this might be because of one of the main reason is your C might be filled up with a lot of things. So you might be not be having storage, so you might be having this issue. So the first and foremost step is all about, just go over here, search for the run command, and you have to click on this one. And the first and foremost step, you just need to go over here, search here for the temp. You have to type just temp over here and press enter. And right now you can see these are some of the applications. Right click on this one and go for the trash icon and delete it. Now we need to close this, and once again we need to go over here, search for the run command, and you have to click on this one. And this time we need to type %temp, and you have to type %, and you have to press enter. Right now you will be getting these options, and you have to select Ctrl A, and you have to right click on this one, go for the trash icon and delete everything over here. And once everything is successfully deleted, you are fine with it, and you have to delete it. And once afterwards, once successfully everything is deleted, you are fine with it. That's what you have to do as the first and foremost step. You can also try downloading this one, and also that is also fine. And once afterwards, we need to move to the next one. That is all about, just go over here, search for the settings over here and click on the settings right now. Now from here, we need to go over here in the system and scroll down and navigate to storage. And right now you can see we should be getting an options like clean up recommendations over here. As you can see, we need to select this one and just go back over here. You have to select the storage. Once again, go over here, scroll down and select the cleanup storage right now. And you can see I have already downloads of 2.96 GB, and I'm having the recycle bin some kind of thing which I deleted, which is around 181 MB. So it all comes around 3 GB. So you have to select these two things and go for cleanup 3.313 GB, which means it is going to do a cleanup. So everything will be lost. What you have downloaded in the download will be gone, and also the recycle bin, everything will be gone. So it will be increasing the space, and that is going to help you guys to download the issue as well. So you can go for the cleanup image as well. And now we need to move to the next step. If it's not working, just over here search for the run command and go over here. You have to search for ws reset over here .exe and go for it over here. And right now we're just going to give like restore the Microsoft Store, and you can try search whatever you needed and you can download it, and that's going to help you guys out as well. And also we have to click on this one. And next one is all about, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the Windows PowerShell over here. And you need to search for the Windows PowerShell over here, and you have to click on run as administrator and go for yes. And right now we need to go over here, copy this particular one over here, and you have to copy this particular one, that's particular command, and you can go for the Windows PowerShell and copy paste it, and you have to press enter. So it is going to do a little bit of time. So it's going to do a few kind of things, and it's going to reset and repair every single things on a Microsoft Store, and it's going to give a fresh start. So you can try this out as well. Next step is all about, what we need to do is we just need to move to the next one. That is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the settings once again, and go over here in the settings, navigate to system update system over here, and scroll down and navigate to first one. We just need to go over here in the Windows update. And right now from here we need to navigate to over here. You have to go to the updates. And right now what we need to do is we just need to go to system components over here. Most probably you'll be able to find the system components, or you can just navigate over here, and if you find anything called advanced over here, you can just get into this. And if you find anything over here called system component, that's also fine with it, but I'm not able to find it. So next one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the settings over here, just search for the settings and click on this one, and directly navigate to system over here. Now scroll down and navigate to system components. And right now we can see we have few options over here, and if you find the Microsoft Store over here, click on this one. And what we need to do is we just need to go over here for the advanced options and scroll down and navigate to reset. Under reset we have options for repair and we have options for reset. So go for both these two things. And what happens is your Microsoft will be completely reset and repair. You're fine with it, and you have to go back and you have to check. And also parallelly make sure the Windows is up to date. If the Windows is not up to date, you'll be having the trouble. So make sure the Windows is up to date. And also Windows is up to date. If it's having any kind of pending updates and all those things, just make sure the Windows is up to date as well. Last and the least step is all about, we just need to go over here, go over here and search for the run command and click on this one. And right now we need to search over here for this one. That what we need to do is we just need to search ws reset.exe over here, and you have to press enter. So that will take you to this, and you can do or search whatever you wanted to over here and this as well. And the last one, you can just go over here, search for the CMD, and you have to click on run as administrator and go for yes. And right now we need to type sfc, put a space, and you have to go for slash over here, scan now, and you have to press enter. And right now it is going to take a little bit of time. So what it happens is it's going to do a complete reset over here until complete checking, and it's going to help you guys out as well. So it's an important step, so I'm going to skip this part. So these are the steps that you have to try when it comes to how to fix the Microsoft Store is not opening. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.